Marion here.
Michelle here from Pin Ups and Pompadours.
I'm Taryn.
It's me, Steven, from Pin Ups and Pompadours.
It's Sarah here.
Hi, I'm Cindy.
Hi guys, it's me, Steven, from Pin Ups and Pompadours, bringing to you yet another episode of our Beauty Buzz. Today is just all about me, because I got sick of pairing with other people. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, so today I'm just going to talk to you about how I do my hair every day. It's actually quite easy, quite straightforward. I know I have a lot of hair, but you don't have to be a hairstylist to have awesome hair. So really, I'm just going to jump right into it. First things first, brush. Brushing is important. Right, so make sure your hair is all prepped and clean and ready. Okay, secret little weapon. I know a lot of you know what this is. Volume powder, weightless powder. That just makes your hair all floofy. So what I do with my brush is I pull sections. Hold on. Spray my root. Pull another section. Doesn't have to be perfect. Spray the root. We'll do back here too. I presume you guys can see the back of my head. Now just comb it over another section. Give or take. Okay, then guess what? You'll never guess what comes next. Brush it through. Right, you see how you just kind of get that big like golden retriever fluffy look kind of going on? That's a good sign, but we do not want to go out in public looking like a golden retriever. So okay, next one, restyle cream. So because it's humid and because it's hot, I like a good like balance of like shine and hold. So like on a scale of 1 to 10, this is like a 5 and hold, a 5 and shine, give or take. Because I have a lot of hair, I'm going for a lot of it. Rub it into your hands so you can't see it. And then just attack your hair. I mean, there is no wrong direction. If you can do this, then it's perfect. As you can tell, my hair is quite long, quite fluffy. So then just slightly shape it back where you want it to go. Right, especially like on the sides, whatever you have left, like really like push those sides in. Tuck the ears. Look at that, I don't look like a golden retriever anymore, but I still have the attitude of one, so you know, no big deal. Pretty, blonde, basic, something like that. Right, so once you kind of start getting like that little bit of separating, perfect. If you want it to be like more texture, I literally one finger, I just go in and just draw lines. You know, it makes it look a little less businessy, more casual. And then lastly, same thing, medium hairspray, soft set. So it's like medium hold, medium shine. Just go for it. No such thing as too much. Actually, yes, there is, unless you want to look like a helmet. And same thing, back to your finger. Just kind of make those little lines for that casual, not overdone, not golden retriever look. I apologize, guys. I can't make eye contact with you today because I'm paying attention to the mirror in front of me. So I know all of you see my hair. It's probably what, this long? I am due for a haircut. Don't tell my boss. But I think she came out pretty good. Otherwise, that's it. Yes, it's 3 products. It's quite simple. It's however long this video took to make, 5 minutes. But 3 products will last you like literally forever because you only need just a little bit of each one. It's simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Worst case scenario, tomorrow, brush it all out, do it again. Otherwise, guys, this is another episode of Beauty Buzz featured, you know, the prettiest one, your favorite. Any questions, any concerns, any of the sorts, call us, email us, find us on social media. We will probably list these products as well, just so you know what they are, and ask questions about the products. Is it good for this kind of hair? Is it good for that kind of hair? Everything I use is pretty standard across the board. If you have like thin hair, thick hair, it's pretty forgiving. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.